Hello everybody, so I just got a delivery from some of our favorite places and I wanted to share with you what I got. Let me take this into cash. Okay, so I thought maybe we might want to do something different. And I got the crochet blanket, the Afghan going, and it's getting there. I'm almost done with it. I'll have to share that with you in probably the next video. But this is macrame, and I got the set. And so it comes with these, which are way smaller than they made it look in the picture. I know what they're called. I just can't remember what they're called. So we have 4 of these. And we have, excuse me. It is my allergies, and whenever, some days are good, some days are not. I'm gonna have to empty this out here. Oh, they're gonna roll all over the place. So there's wooden beads to use. I've been watching videos. I haven't done this since like junior high. There's a little ring, a couple of little rings, and a couple of the larger rings. And then these S hooks, and honestly, I don't know what they're for. But we will find out, won't we? And we have these clips. And of course you'll make something small on that. And then all these wooden beads, the only decorative ones, and they don't match. Okay, so these two must go together. Nope. Are any of them gonna match up? Not really, but there's 4 of those, and then there's red. These are just plain red. So if you want to color this one, it's got some kind of little pattern on it. And I'm assuming we can use the glass beads that we have too, you know, like for jewelry making or whatever. This one's pretty. And all these little beads. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those. Five of the larger beads. And you saw where it came from. It came from Amazon. And I ordered it last night, and it was here this afternoon. And then we get these wires here. Rings. There's a book in here. So wire rings, and then we have the cord. And this doesn't say how much is on this one. But obviously it's twice as much as what's on here on the colored ones. No, it wasn't going to get the colored ones. But, what I wanted, some of them said they had ebooks. And I didn't want an ebook. I wanted it printed out. So I looked for the ones that were printed out, and then I tried to look for what had the most options kind of with it. I figured there's going to be enough in here for at least one project. And then if I find that it's something that I want to do, then I can always order more cord and stuff. So I'm not worried about that. These you can get in any craft store, any dowels. They're a wooden dowel basically, but I don't know if that's what they call them. So anyways, I figured I could get more string if I find that it's something that I still enjoy doing. And then we have the booklet that came with it. Enjoy Your Life with Macrame Kit. And it shows the base knot. There's knot A, knot A2, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Are these all different knots? I guess so. They're not giving you the names of it. They do have names though. And so what I'll probably do is figure out which knots they are and put the name on them. Oh, here we go. Okay. And then basic knots that will be used. It shows you what to do. That's very small. A snowflake ornament. Oh, so there's all these that you can scan and then get hanging basket. Yeah. And then there's this. This is another hanging. Isn't that pretty? Let me make sure it's in the... I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's pretty. We bought a kit for the feather, remember? This is a dream catcher. It doesn't really look like a dream catcher. Okay, I think we've seen the whole thing, and this isn't that much, but since you can scan it and it'll show you how, then that's good. I'll have to look through and see and dig into all of this, and that's really it for now. I just wanted to show that real quick what I got, and I'll be looking into videos and stuff like that. I don't know how much is actually on this. I've been watching videos since last night, and all the videos I see, these people have these huge, massive rolls of the cord. So these don't say what color, but the picture was showing it with pink. And I thought, no, I'm not hanging pink on my wall. This is more brown than a pink. And then like a black or gray. But they don't have any color written on saying what they are. So, there we have it. I will be, come on, we'll make something. We will make something. All right, everybody. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.